So before we create the website here, we would need to first of all get a prompt, and this is our prompt. So you can copy it or screenshot it, but I think I'm going to help you guys paste it in the description. So the first thing we need to do, like I said, copy. So I'm going to copy my font. So once I copy my font, I'm going to paste it here. So as I paste it, I'm going to come down here to check if I am in Adobe Flash. This is the most preferable one. And once I'm done, I'm going to hit send. So on the left hand side, it's doing its thing and it's loading here, and you can see the log if you want to see any log that is here. Then we will wait for it to build, and as you can see, it has started building some certain things. So this is how it's going to keep building each pages as it goes. One thing I enjoy is the way it moves and create every element of the website. It is so beautiful to watch. Yeah, so this is mainly for brainstorming. I use it to brainstorm, more like my wireframe. Okay, so at the end of the day, it has designed the website for us very well. So the homepage is, let's say, the hero section. It may not be what we want, and which we can actually edit and do something way much better. But as a designer back in the day, you would find it very hard to, get inspirations. So with the right key prompts and everything, you've already gotten the inspiration to build your website. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is big time real, like, it gives you the formats, the style, and I bet even only this page alone is better than a lot of people's websites. They don't even have this kind of inspiration. Yeah, but I know professional designers can do more. But for a start, you can see something that you can very well do, and create by yourself. So even the down to the footer, I know that yes, the footer might still need improvement. I want to see if it's have a consistent footer. I doubt the consistency footer is not consistent, which is not a problem. It's even giving you ideas for different footers, right? So he created the whole experience. Yes, this is not good. This is not 100%. This is at least 40% to 30% of your work. This is like a high fidelity wireframe for you to work with and start, so you don't work from a blank slate. So I tell people that AI can help you understand what you are supposed to do and improve from there. So this is more like the checkout page and all. So now we can actually export this to Figma, and you can edit what you want to edit from here. So all to export from Figma, all you just have to do is select this. I think you hold shift. Yes, I'm correct. So you hold shift on all the pages. Then I'm going to click on export. Then you can come down here to Figma. Then you come down here to convert. So once it has convert, you can click on copy. So once you copy it, you can now paste it in Figma. So we're going to come to Figma here, and we're going to right click, and we're going to paste. So once done in Figma, it will look something like this. So in Figma now, you can now start doing what you want to do by editing the page, the button, and every other elements that you want. So you can remove some sections and like, okay, I don't want this section, I don't like this section, and you can replace everything. This is actually one way to speed up your work. You get, so I feel people can be coming here to play, and I believe with time, um, Google Stitch would get better. And because this is an example, my prompting may not be perfect right now, so you can prompt more, make more corrections, and improve. Like now, you can add different section, prompt another thing, prompt a video, add an about, or even push it down to mobile. You can, okay, I need a mobile responsiveness for this. And if you want to like prototype this, let's say you want to just showcase this directly, so you can select all the screens. So once I select all the screens, I come up here to instant prototype, or I can use this to prototype it, but let's use this. Then we can click instant prototype. So once it's done prototyping, you can see that every place that is marked is somewhere you can click. So for example, if we go to shop, it takes us to shop. Then if we go back home, we can go back home. If we come down to add to carts, you can see. So now everything, the screens you've prototype is here. So if you probably want to talk to your people about this, I feel you can even use this prototype, like a quick prototype section, to make it very very seamless, and it's actually very very nice, in as much as not all the designs is very, very cool, right? So I feel this is what you can play around with, see how it works. Even it has hover effect, something that's, from design you get. So the hover effect can be something you can start applying. Love this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on another next post.